steam boiler number 1, currently not running. Steam boiler number 2 is running. So boilers create steam. They go up the pipes, they come over, they go into this header. And this big boiler, fuel oil, same thing. It feeds this header pipe. From there, it travels to wherever it has to go. This is a heat exchanger for glycol, antifreeze, serving different air handlers in the building. So it feeds steam to this, heats up that water, pumps it to wherever it has to go. Problem is, steam, it's either full on or full off. So when it's this temperature right now, it's pretty tough to control. The building gets hot really quick. Big exhaust pipe means you're burning a lot of gas. It's just old technology. By converting from steam to water, the building becomes more controllable. We can lower the water temperature. We don't have to make steam for a little bit of heat. We can modulate a boiler down. So that's how that works. So this, when they refer to control, wiring, and work, this is kind of the brains of what turns equipment on and off. And it is outdated. Honeywell no longer supports this system. So this connects with my computer to let me know what's going on, and so I can turn equipment on and off. And if something goes out here, stuff doesn't turn on or off. They've come out with newer versions of this equipment, but what this does is it talks to the computer, basically, the main brain.
For complete details regarding the upcoming referendum, please visit the district website.